Hello everyone, welcome back with the third Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper on Saturday, July the 18th, 2020. We have here in this additional 6 Sudokus, and the third Sudoku I will continue. It's a 3 stars Sudoku, and this one is a number 1183. Yes, and before I start I always count the printed numbers, probably 25 because the previous one was 26. So let me count. 3 plus 4 7 plus 4 is 11 plus 3 is 14 plus 3 is 8 14 plus 3 is 17 plus 2 is 19 plus 3 is 22 23 24 25 as expected. 25, yes. Alright, so let's get started. Alright. 4 in this column, 4 in the second column, so the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And then how about in the middle column, 1 2 3 4 5 missing numbers. 3 of those missing numbers are the 1, the 4, and the 5. 1 4 5 cannot be placed in these two boxes of this big square. 1 4 5 cannot be here. The 1 4 5 must be there. I see here 1 and a 4, so this should be 1 digit left, should be the 5. Here we have the 1 and the 4, 1 and the 4. I marked them for you, it's easier to follow. How about these two numbers? These two numbers are the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here and a 3 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 9 here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And then how about 2 3 4 4 missing numbers in this big square. I know these two are 1 and 4, so the other 4 are the 8, the 6, the 9, and the 7. I see here no, I cannot. Yes, I can. Let me continue with this big square first. 3 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 2, the 8, and the 7. We see an 8, no 8 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. 2 boxes left, the 2 and the 7. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Yes, the 8, 6, 9, and the 7 are left. We see here an 8, no 8 in these two boxes, so the 8 could be here or could be there. The 7, we have a 7 here in this column, so the 7 could be in these two boxes. I need a 9. 6 and a 9. Alright. Let me think. Yes, let me continue with the second column. 4 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is a 2, and yeah, one of the missing numbers is a 2. We see here 2 in this big square, so no 2 in these two boxes, so the 2 could be here or could be there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. 1, 2, the 3 is missing, 4, 5, the 6 is missing, 3, 6, and the 9 is missing. 3, 6, and the 9. Cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. Yeah. This big square with a cross here. 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 1 and the 5. So no 1 and the 5 in these 3 boxes. The 1 and the 5 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. The 1 goes there. These 3 numbers, the 2, the 6, and the 8. 8 and the 6 we have. So no 8 and the 6 in this box. 1 digit left should be the 2. 8 and the 6 goes in these 2 boxes. I mark them for you. 1 box left in this first row for the number 1. 1 is missing. 2 boxes left in this row for the numbers 3 and 7. 3 and 7. Mark them for you. These 2 boxes, the 2 and the 6 are missing. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 7, 3, and 5. 5, 5. Alright. Then 2 in this row, 2 in the row above. So in that row, the only 3 places for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. Here 2, no 2 there. The only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. 7, 7. In this big square, one of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7. So no 7 in these 2 boxes. So the 7 could be here, here, or there. So in the first column, we have a 7 in one of those 3 boxes. So this box cannot be a 7. This should be a 3. This should be a 7. That means 2 boxes left in this column. The 3 and a 5. 3 and a 5. How about these 3 boxes? The 1 is missing, the 8 is missing, and the 6 is missing. You see here an 8, there an 8. So no 8 in this box, and no 8 in that box. So the 8 should be there. The 6 and the 6 and the 1 are missing. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 2 boxes left in the second column for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, the 9 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. These 3 numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 7 is missing. Yeah. 7 7 4 4 4 4. Alright, 1 1 1 1 1 1 1 yes. Yeah. Tough. What about the 8. Yes. In this big square of 6 missing numbers, one of the missing numbers is an 8. We see an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8. No 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here or could be there. I have marked those 2 boxes with an 8. And in this row, we have an 8 here. So this cannot be an 8. This should be the 8. Now we have 3 missing numbers. In this row, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. The 9 is missing and the 7 is missing. We have a 9 in this box. Guys, look. No 9 there. Here also a 9. No 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. The 7 and the 6 are missing. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here. The 7 goes there. I have marked those 2 boxes with the 7. Now I have eliminated the 7. So this should be the 7. 1 box left for the 6. These 2 are 1 and 4. These 2 are 7 and a 5. We have a 7 now. No 7 there. 7 should be here and a 5 goes there. 1, 4 and the 9. The 9 should be here. Alright. 1, 4 and a 5. How about the number? Here should be the 8. Yeah. 3, 7, 7. Yeah. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only 2 places for the 7 here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there, and all the 7s are used. I can see. Yes, alright. 3, 5, 9, 1. Ah, 4 missing numbers here. Those numbers are 3, 5, 9, and 1. 3, 5, 9, 1. And look, we have a 3, and a 9, and a 1. So 1 digit left should be the 5. That means we have a 5 here, so this cannot be a 5 anymore. This should be the 3, and this should be the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the column next on the last column. The only place for the 5 should be there. And all the 5s are used. I can see. Yes. 8, 1, 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 4. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. Two numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 3, I believe. Here, 1 and 3. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only two places for the 3 here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. Two numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 6 and 9. 6 and 9. We have a 9 here, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 6 goes there. One number left in this big square for the number 6. Now we have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 8. This should be the 6. One number left in this big square for the number 4. Two numbers left in this column. Sorry, two numbers left in this column. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, and the 9 is missing. We have a 9 here, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this cannot be a 4 anymore. This should be the 4, and this should be the 1, and two numbers left in this big square. For the numbers 1 and 8, we have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 8 goes there. Finish in 16 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku, great Sudoku. I like this. Thumbs up if you like this, thumbs down if you dislike it. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you, and I will see you in a minute with the fourth Sudoku. That will be a 4-star Sudoku. So see you later, and bye bye for now.